Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the canvas to select the image assist. Select the background. Then select the layer option. Select the text option by rating. Select the font option. Adjust the font. Select the color option. Adjust the color. Then select the layer option. Media. Go to the gallery. Select another picture. Adjust the picture. Select the blending option. Select the light option. Select the overall animation. Select the jet button, plus button, ring button. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.